Hi, and welcome to the St. John Prep Media Center. We're glad to have you here, and lucky that each of you have your own computer so that you can follow along while we explain how things work.
There are many options nowadays for finding information on the web, but by using eReference online, you can check out encyclopedias for facts, look up places in an atlas, check spelling in a dictionary, and search with many other educational websites. However, today we are going to focus primarily on databases. What are they? Where can you find them? And how do you use them?
So, what is a database exactly? Data is another word for information, and base is just another word for a place. So a database is an information place, but on the internet. It can be described as an electronic file consisting of searchable, retrievable records, each containing a uniform description of a document, usually an article, able to be accessed by author, title, subject, or keywords. Or, in other words,
it's like a website with an index, which is a list of topics, people, places, or things that are mentioned in a book. This is often in the back of the book. A table of contents is a list of the chapters in a book or a report. On a website, it's like the tabs or links on the home page. Periodicals are published on a regular basis. What's an example of a periodical? Newspapers, like the New York Times, magazines, like Sports Illustrated, and scholarly journals, like the Journal of the American Medical Association. What's an abstract? A summary of an article. What's a citation tool? Information about where you get your quote or text or picture, etc. This makes your life easier by helping you write your reference page and allows you to name your sources appropriately.
So what else do you need to know about databases? They have current information. The articles or videos can be as recent as today. They're accessible on campus or remotely, anywhere there's an internet connection. Some databases are free, others by paid subscription, and the sources are vetted.
Vetted? What's that? Recognized authors are affiliated with major news sources like PBS or National Public Radio, and some are from major universities or museums or research centers. Examples of well-known publishers are the Wall Street Journal, Time Magazine, Britannica, or other world-renowned companies. References are checked by other researchers. Unlike some Wikipedia articles or a lot of websites, the facts in these resources are checked. References are listed at the end of the document, and you can activate a link to find out more about the authors. Databases are safe from viruses or links to sources that may not be approved.
Public libraries have great resources, including databases, which are free and accessible with a library card. Who here has a library card?
I do.
Oh, Daniel, that's great. Okay, let's try this link and see what the New York Public Library has for you online. As you can see, there is a gigantic collection of databases provided through the public library in subjects from government to arts and humanities. If you look right under the subject headings, you can see that we can also find databases based on the type of resource or location.
Anybody recognize this?
Oh yeah, I do.
Where can you access databases? Here at school, you can access databases through the SJP website. You'll need your student ID and password. We can give that to you if you don't already have it.
This could be you if your work is outstanding. How can you make sure that your projects and papers get A's? Click on Academic Life on the top bar. Scroll to the library and click.
Wherever you are, you can access the library, but you don't have to be at the school to access the library's resources. All you need is a computer that's hooked up to the internet, and you can use the databases just like you would here. And on our library's webpage,
activate a link. Just click the link that has what you need. We have several databases that offer a ton of information in different fields: history, literature, current events or issues, science, and a general search. Recently, we added another database, Global Issues and Context. Let's start with that one. It will help you with global history, science, health, and more.
So we all just clicked on the link and were brought to this login screen. When you're on campus, you sign in with the password ASTO_LOG. At home, you use the password ASTO_RPA. Write down these codes in a safe place to make sure that you'll always be able to log on.
What subjects does this database cover? This one covers hot topics in global affairs, politics, health, the environment, and international relations. What geographic areas does it cover? Anyone?
The world?
The world! That's right! This database is intended to provide information about events going on around the globe. Let's look at how many ways there are to search here. There are 4 ways to search: basic, world news, video, and advanced search. With advanced search, you are able to include more criteria that will refine your results and find what you need quickly.
Using a database. To fully utilize all that a database has to offer, there is a process that you should use each time you research a topic. First, we begin with the search. This is where you enter your keywords. After we enter this, we are brought to a page that shows all of the relevant hits. You open one of the articles and read it. If you think you might be able to use it, there are features available to post it, email it, save it for later, or download it. Make sure to link it if you use it in your project. And that way you can create a bibliographic citation. I know what you're thinking. Do I have to do all that work? Why can't I just Google it? Why can't I just use Wikipedia?
Well, you could, but we can help you construct a search so that you can quickly find information that is relevant. This means that it relates directly to your needs or helps answer your questions for projects and papers. Right for you. This means that it's designed for high school students and the high school curriculum. Usable means that it's easy and efficient to use. Acceptable means that it can help score you points. Faculty will welcome information from databases for projects, papers, and presentations. Using other sources may cause you to lose points or, in some cases, fail. In addition, many databases have citation generators that make creating a bibliography easy.
And using a database and constructing our search isn't this difficult.
Do I search like this? Not like this.
So what do I need to do? Well, first you make a list of words related to your topic. These words are also known as keywords, and they're a great way to help refine your search and make sure that your results contain the most relevant information possible. Daniel, what's something you're studying in class now?
The French Revolution?
Okay, can you help me with some words for a database search?
Sure.
Okay, Daniel, what's a good term for, let's see, the subject that we're looking at?
I guess the French Revolution?
Excellent. Okay. And what are some organizations that you might know of that are related to the revolution?
Let's see. The Paris Commune?
Good. Okay. And what about some names of people?
Marie Antoinette.
Excellent. All right. And what's one of the really important phrases associated with this time period?
Liberty, equality, fraternity?
Yes. Okay. And let's see, we're going to look at other people that might be involved with the revolution, either before, during, or after. What's a good name there?
Robespierre?
Yes. Okay. And what was a really key place in the French Revolution?
The Bastille?
Mm-hmm. Okay. And one of the events of the revolution?
The Reign of Terror?
Yes. Okay. And what was the there's one thing that's really connected to the French Revolution that, especially to the Reign of Terror. What's the thing that?
The guillotine.
Yes. Okay. Great. These are all words. These would be super terms actually to find documents to help with a project about the French Revolution.
But first, let's go somewhere closer. Let's see what's happening now. I want to go to a page that I found on Global Issues in Context when I used the video search and entered the keyword Puerto Rico, which is a place.
For West Coast surfers like me, Hawaii is a dream destination. But surfers on the East Coast prefer the North Shore of Puerto Rico. I've come to Arecibo, an hour west of San Juan, to meet Angel Rodriguez, a local surf hero, also known as El Doctor. He's a former accountant who now teaches surfing and coaches Puerto Rico's national surf team. My surfing needs a lot of coaching. But I haven't traveled here just to ride waves. I've come to learn more about Doctor's fight to save his local reef. An underwater world where marine life was suddenly threatened 4 years ago.
Want to go to Puerto Rico now? I know I do. This is an example of what you can find in Global Issues in Context. I found it under the video link on the Global Issues in Context homepage.
Now it's your turn. Go ahead and explore the databases on your own, and be sure to use the tips that you've learned today. Keep our resources in mind for the next project you have, and don't hesitate to come to us with any questions. Thanks, and have a great day.